Well, the Walkerbot fundraising appeal has been absolutely phenomenal. It's raised its target during a pandemic, and today we're absolutely delighted that it's actually being delivered to Bournemouth Hospital here at the stroke unit. We've got a fantastic stroke team here in the Trust. We started with the original research into what they needed in this phenomenal piece of equipment. We went to London to see it in action, and then together we've worked with them to provide case studies and information on what it would mean for the stroke team and the patients here.
So we identified the Walkerbot as something that we wanted to provide within our stroke service because we know it's got a really strong evidence base. We know it works for people with stroke. It's recommended in our national guidelines for stroke, yet as far as we were aware, no stroke services in the UK offer patients access to this kind of service. So we wanted to do something about that and be one of the first to be able to offer patients access to such incredible technology. So it is really exciting for staff to be able to work in a service that's able to offer the most up-to-date technology. So we're all really excited about being trained in how to use the Walkerbot to be able to offer that to patients to access our services and get the best outcomes for our patients. So for patients who are unable to walk after a stroke, or patients whose legs have been affected by the stroke, the Walkerbot will give them the opportunity to practice really high repetitions within their rehabilitation. So at the moment we would support patients to relearn how to sit and stand and step if they're able to, but we can only do that at quite low intensity, and the use of robotics enables us to do that at much higher intensity, which we know has an impact on people's recovery and ultimately their outcomes. So I feel hugely privileged to work within an organisation that supported this campaign from the outset, to have worked so closely with UHD charity in such a formidable amount of time to raise the funds to actually bring this to a reality and to work in a service where our staff can offer the very best in terms of rehabilitation to people who've had a stroke. So it means a lot.